In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a 1099 to H&R Block. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Federal tab over here on this drop down, and you must first complete your info, and then when you come to the Income tab, first it's going to ask you a few questions, and after that, you should be able to see this, which is, how did you earn money last year? Now, in here, there's going to be a bunch of different options, but you can just scroll down, and where it says search for a form, you can just type in 1099, and of course, you'll be able to select the one that's relevant for you. So here there's a bunch of different ones, as you can see. Of course, select the one that you actually need. So for me, I'm just going to go for this one right now just to kind of demonstrate, and I'm going to click on the plus add over here, and then I'm going to go there. Now when you go there, I'm going to click on add an investment account, and it's going to ask you which account you want to add here. Of course, there's a bunch of different ones. It's going to be a bit different of a process with each and every single one of these. So to upload a 1099, you want to click on the one that's relevant to you. I'm going to click on this one, click on next, and as you can see, I can click on add income, and it's going to allow me to basically sign into Fidelity, and then I'll be able to import that directly from Fidelity, my 1099 over here inside H&R Block. Okay, so that's one way. Now, of course, this won't be possible every single time. If I go and delete this over here, and if I, for example, select a different one, let me actually show you. There we go, add an account. And if I go, for example, for Robinhood, I think it's still too early, and it's going to say that it's not ready yet. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, there we go. So as you can see, it's not ready to import. Now, of course, it's going to say when you have to check back, and if that happens, then it's going to allow you to import after that date. And of course, there's other upload options as well over here. So as you can see, you could upload these as well in case you have them. Of course, there's a bit of a difference depending on whichever one you're actually doing. So if I click on a different one like Charles Schwab over here, I can do next. And as you can see, I can click on add income over here, and it's going to again tell me that it's not ready yet, etc. Now, of course, you basically just have to wait for these to get ready, and you'll be able to then upload them. Or for those that are already ready, you could just sign in and import that way. So that's how this works. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.